Hi, it's Jamie from the Croft Bed, Breakfast and Bar in St Anne's. It's a lovely sunny February morning, so I thought I'd take the opportunity to take you on a walking tour of St Anne's. So you ready? Come on, let's go. Okay, so let's go. Straight out of the door, we've got two options. We can go left to the sea, or we can go right into town. So first things first, I think we're going to go to the sea. It's a bit breezy, but it is a lovely day. For those of you who've never been to St Anne's, it's only a small town right on the coast, and I want to show you fabulous Victorian features that the town has to offer, and show you really how close the Croft is from the beach. It's literally at the end of the road. So we got to the end of the road. You can see the sea just there. So on my right is the YMCA pool and gym, and on my left is the Island Cinema. 6 screens, all the latest releases, fantastic venue, so close to the Croft as well. It's taken me less than a minute to get here. So we're going to make our way down to what is a very rare sight indeed at St Anne's. For those of you who know the town very well, you'll know that you never get to see the sea. It's always about a mile out. But you can probably hear it now. This happens probably twice a year. Definitely happens at winter rather than summer, and it changes the whole complexion of our little coastal town. But I want to show you this. This is amazing. I'm actually quite excited about this because I don't get to see it very often either. Look at this, here's the sea. The sea does get to St Anne's. Wowee. Look at this. And you can see on the right hand side, if I pan round slightly, risk of getting wet here. Yeah, I'm going to pull the pier in a minute.